What comes to mind when you think of angels? Do you think of cherubs, seraphim, holding a harp with wings, playing music? You couldn't be more wrong from the truth. According to the Bible, the amount of angels is incomprehensible. Revelations 5:11. Then I looked, and I heard the voice of many angels, numbering thousands upon thousands, and 10,000 upon 10,000, circled around his throne, and the elders in a loud voice were saying, "Worthy is the Lamb who was slain to receive power and wealth and wisdom and strength and honor and glory and praise." Seraphim are divine beings created by God, serve and worship constantly around his throne. All angels are different according to their purpose. 2 Kings 19:35, and the angel of the Lord went out and killed 187,000 in the camp of the Assyrian. Luke 1:18-25, Zacharias had doubt, and he wanted a sign from Gabriel the archangel, so he made it so that he could not speak. The 7 holy angels in the Bible are Michael, Raphael, Gabriel, Uriel, Saquel, Raquel, and Ramiel. In the life of Adam and Eve, it lists Michael, Gabriel, Uriel, Raphael, and Joel. We don't count the enemy because his name is not worth mentioning. Joshua 1:9, be strong, be brave, be fearless. You are not alone. God bless you, and keep it Jesus.